Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel. Today I want to share with you some information about how to send money successfully to Russia. As you know, there are numerous restrictions to send money to Russia. There is the sanctions in place, so typically you cannot send money from the typical ways to send money, like banks or for example TransferWise or PayPal or Western Union, whatever typical ways to send money. They are no longer available, and before a few months ago it was even possible to go to a physical office and send money through different services, but now those already have been blocked. So the only way I have been able to send money consistently to Russia after so many months, all these things started in February or March, all these restrictions. So I have been able to send money using Paxful, and there are two main ways in which I'm going to suggest you can do it. So let's go about the different things you can do in Paxful. Paxful is just a crypto exchange. I recommend Paxful because it's very easy to get approved to send money or to participate in the marketplace. I have a very unique situation where I am Mexican citizen. I have bank accounts in United States, in Mexico, but I am currently living in Turkey. So for some reason, a lot of the exchanges don't like this kind of situation, and even if I open an account, they blocked me like almost immediately without any explanation. So if someone else is like me, an expat who is living somewhere else, and you have your bank account somewhere else and your passport is yet in another place, this is a place that I will recommend you. I have already been approved for a good number of trades, and this is a good marketplace. And in this marketplace in particular, you can buy Bitcoin, Tether, and Ethereum. Because of the fees, I will always recommend using Ethereum, but if you want to use one of the others, you are welcome to do it. So this is the one that I recommend and that I have been using consistently, and it is very convenient. As far as payment methods, they have a lot of choices. You can use PayPal, Skrill, credit and debit cards. For example, you can also use Google Pay. I have used Google Pay and it works very well. I have also used Wise in the past, which previously was called TransferWise, and is very fast. You can use it very easily. No problem with currency transfers that are in another currency. So TransferWise will take care of that. So it doesn't really matter if you're in a country that doesn't use dollars and your trade partner uses dollars. You can easily transfer from a different currency, no problem at all. So this is one method that I will highly recommend. And usually, for example, I used to trade in any currency because I don't care about the currencies. Offer location, I will use worldwide. And let's say, for the sake of examples, that I will try to find people who are using Wise. So then I click find offers, and then you will start to see the different trade partners. They will see some restrictions. You will see the minimum purchase, maximum purchase, For example, this person is minimum $40, this one is minimum 50, maximum 3,000, and they say what they want: photo ID, no third parties, different restrictions or requirements. Some of them are in GBP, some are in dollars, some are in euros. So it is irrelevant according to my experience, as long as you use Wise, because Wise takes care of the currency conversion. So that is a very good and easy way to do it. And how does it work? So there are two ways. You here in the Paxful you can buy the crypto, so that is easily done, no problems, and you will see different prices also for the crypto. Some of them will give you 0.91, 0.87, 0.79. Depending on each person, they will offer different rates, so you will want to find the one that is giving you the best rates. And sometimes the rates available to you depends on the payment method, or the max purchase amount, the currency. So of course you will want to find the ones that have the higher rate, like this one, for example, 0.91 for each dollar. So this is basically the commission that the guy is charging. So it's 9.47. They say this offer is 9.47% above Ethereum's current market price. This one is 14%. This one is 27%. So this is what they want to profit from your trade, and it's fair. If you accept the offer, you can do it. No bad feelings about that. So you buy the crypto. Let's say I bought Ethereum for the sake of example, and after that you can send the money or send the crypto wallet to wallet. So this is the most effective way to do it. So let's say your trade partner is in Russia. You want to send money to someone in Russia, and they also have an account in another marketplace in Russia. So then you will be able to send from an Ethereum wallet to an Ethereum wallet, and they will take care of the conversion. They will take out the money, and they will pay any fees if the exchange where they have the wallet will charge them a fee. It's depending on each marketplace in Russia. There are a lot of marketplaces in Russia that are currently working, so it's very convenient and it's very fast. The only thing that I have experienced is that sometimes there are not good offers. For example, if I find an offer with 87 and I don't want to buy, sometimes I need to wait a few hours until someone with a better offer comes online. So that's a little bit of an inconvenience. It's not terrible. Usually, if I do it and I find the right offer and I send the money in approximately 4 hours from where I start the purchase until I send the wallet, from wallet to wallet, within 4 hours from start to finish, the money will be in my recipient's hands. So it's somehow fast. It's not immediate, it's not instant transfer, but it's very fast. So that of course requires a level of complexity that not everyone is able to. So the person that you're sending, they should be able to open a crypto account in a marketplace in Russia. And there are people who don't know how to do it. They think it's too complicated, or they don't feel safe doing it. So for those cases, I have another option for you. So you bought the crypto here in Paxful, so you have the money in your wallet, and then you can send that through another exchange that I found. This is a Russian exchange, bear that in mind. So the original will be in Russian language. and it's not a problem. If it is in Russian language, you can always translate if you have one of the Chrome compatible browsers. Chrome will translate the exchange for you. So this one, I will give an example of how it works. So you will decide which is the crypto that you're going to use. They use a lot of different sources. So for this particular solution, you don't need to use Paxful. You can use anything that you want. This is really very flexible. You can have your money in any other place. For example, all of these choices. I have used it with crypto, and I haven't used it with, for example, they say they offer Visa or MasterCard. I don't know if it works. Maybe it's legacy information. I cannot guarantee that it will work if you try to use a Visa card, but you can use all of the others. So you have usually Payeer, ADB Cash. I didn't use ADB Cash, and is one of those exchanges that didn't like my profile. And you have, of course, Russian banks and Russian wallets. You have different cryptos like Tether, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, even Dogecoin. They have a lot of different choices. So this is your source. This is where you have your money, the money that you want to send out to your recipient in Russia. So for the sake of the example, I will put that I have Ethereum. So they have two kinds of Ethereum. You can choose the one that you're going to use. So I will use Ethereum ERC20, and then I will say how much Ethereum I have. So let's say I will put 0.3. So that will give me 2,600. Let's give it a little bit more. Let's say 0.05. Okay, so that's roughly 4,000 rubles, and then you will have the choice to select the target or the recipient. And for the recipient, you have a lot of Russian banks. You can select the currency for the different options. So I will select rubles, and for rubles I will see all or most of the Russian banks. So you can select almost any bank that you want to use. So if I select Sberbank, then after that you will see that it will ask the information about your recipient, and from your wallet, they will give you a wallet for the transaction. So you will transfer the money from your wallet to their wallet, and they will transfer the money. They will make the conversion from crypto to the bank, to the Russian bank that you selected. You will have the information of your recipient. So this works very well if your recipient is, let's say, your grandma, and she has a bank account, but she doesn't want to know how to open a crypto account in a marketplace. She doesn't know how to use computers. She just has her bank account and wants to receive the money. This is very straightforward. It's a little bit more expensive than sending wallet to wallet, but it's a good choice if the person that you're sending the money to, she or he is not interested in the complications of dealing with crypto and marketplaces and all that. So that is a good choice. And I will tell you that if you do transfer wallet to wallet, I have seen that let's say out of $1,000, if you send $1,000, the overall fees from the fees you use for buying, from the fees you use to transfer, is around 15%. It's not terrible considering that before, for example, when Western Union was available, they were charging something around 10%. So we have now the difficulties of the sanctions and everything. So this is a good choice, in my opinion. 15% is not terrible and is somehow fast. The POCKETEX is a little bit more expensive than that, but it's a good choice depending on your recipient. If your recipient doesn't know how to deal with crypto, and the rate of exchange will vary depending on the date, so you will get this is a little bit more expensive than using wallet to wallet. That's what I want to say, but it's a good solution. So let me know what you think about it, and if you have any questions, just let me know. I will try to answer to the best of my knowledge. And as always, I want to comment about the opportunity you have to support my work as content creator. I include information about different platforms you can use to support me with donations. In the description of each episode, I include this information. You can also support me by liking, sharing this episode in social media, or subscribing. You can do whatever you want, whichever way to support me you choose. I hope to see you again very soon. Thank you for watching.